Hi guys, I hope you're well. So this is just a small advice to young people. You know, I just want to say, see, as when you're growing up, guys, as things were hard but easy at the same time because there was no abundance of information at our face. Unlike this generation, like you guys have a lot of information just in your face. You don't know what to consume. You just flooded with information. So I just wanted to say, take time to filter what you consume. Check what you're consuming. Is what you are taking from the social media building you? Social media is not bad at all. It's all about what you spend time consuming on the social media. That's what makes it sometimes you end up feeling guilty, like no, you've been spending too much time on social media. But it's not about this spending time on social media. It's all about what do you spend time doing on social media. Social media can be a good tool if you know what to consume. So make sure you are using social media to consume the right information. Check whether what you're consuming is it building you, is it benefiting you? Because I've seen there's a lot of good content on social media, people giving advices on different things. If you are on tech, which is one of like advocate for STEM, it's there's a lot of information that you can get people how to develop yourself, how to learn how to code, how to learn all this thing. A lot of free information. People give advices on different fields. So check whatever you're consuming, whether it's building or destroying, or just wasting your time or destroying. So start taking your time, start filtering what you're consuming because you could get a lot of information for free on social media you cannot get from anyone. So which is it's an abundance on social media. Just always check what you're consuming. Check the people that you're fire. Are you being built with the information that you're taking in every day? With the data that you're using on social media, it can actually work for you. It's one of the things that I mean myself, I'm still maturing in. I just realized like let me share this with the young people. Something I'm also maturing to filtering what I'm consuming with kind of information because you could gain a lot of free information on the social media. So make sure you know what you're consuming on social media because otherwise it could waste your time. But if you use it right, you will never ever feel guilty. Actually, you'll be excited about always getting social media. Because the problem with social media is that there's a flood of information. It requires a skill for you to start filtering, make sure you're consuming the right information. So yeah, guys, those are the small advice I wanted to give you guys that social media can work for you. Make sure you're consuming information that's building you as a person. Because mostly in the world that we're going with the fourth industrial revolution, with the way things are fast changing, you need to make sure that you're learning something every day in order to stay relevant. Otherwise, it will really do a lot of damage to you because the world is moving fast. You need to keep up. Because if you don't keep up, you'll be left unemployed. You'll feel like you're not relevant for this world because the world it's fast pacing. You need to make sure again you're learning some information. Don't be afraid to learn things beyond what you studied. Actually, it's very important that you learn something that it's outside your field when 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 when, when you're not doing anything than spending time going partying and not doing all this fun thing. So yeah, guys, shares. I just wanted to share you this small thing. I hope it is helpful. Sharp guys.